In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Gmail account without using a phone number. Simply go to your Gmail account and then click on the right corner, then click on Add Account, then select Google. Once you have finished putting your pattern here, you are going to click on Create Account for my personal use. Then add your names. In this thing, let me add my name is. Click Next. Add my months. 1980. Gender, rather not say. Here I'm going to add the username. Okay. It's accepted. So password. I'm going to put at least 8 letters and then have a special character and the numeral. So ladies, I think it is up to 8 characters. I copy this. Next. Then it's going to ask me here, add a phone number. Tell it no, you don't want to, so skip. So you see, review your account information. Of course, this is linked to your main Gmail account. Click on Next. Then select the first option, Next. Then go down. Then select Accept All. Then confirm your settings. Confirm. Agree. This instead of your main account. So thank you for joining. If you like this video, please give it a thumb up and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any question, please drop it in the comment section.